90% of hearing aids are 3D printed. 90%. That happened in 4 years. The whole industry turned over in 4 years. This is very powerful stuff. And guess what? Rico knows an awful lot about 3D printing. So, strategy one, right? Moving into something entirely new, 3D printing. You know, GE just got the first jet engine fuel nozzle approved by the FAA. Think about how it's made today. A bunch of small factories in China build parts, they ship them to an assembler, he puts them together, sticks them in a warehouse, waits for GE to call, then they put them on a ship and a truck and get them to Fairfield. Introduce a 3D printer. All that supply chain is gone. GE gets a part that's cheaper, lighter, stronger, faster, no inventory. What gets disrupted? Everything. Truck drivers, insurance, warehouse, container ship, sub-assembly, forwarder, customs broker, gone. Wouldn't you want to be that disruptor? To be the guy who builds the part or sells the 3D printer to GE rather than to be in that supply chain that is gone? That's the opportunity.